In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Microsoft Edge stops playing audio sound after you minimize the web browser. So if you're looking to enable the sound, so if you want to minimize the Microsoft Edge browser and do something else, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to start by left clicking on the start button one time, and then you want to go ahead and left click on the gear icon on the left side where if you hover over it, it should say settings. Left click on that one time. And once you have this window open here, you want to go ahead and scroll down to privacy, and it should say location camera, whatnot, so left click on that one time. So you want to scroll down on the left side here until you get to the area underneath background apps, and left click on that one time. And then where it says choose which apps can run in the background, you want to scroll down to get to the Edge browser, and this would work for other applications as well, so if you have Chrome or whatnot. So again, we just go and locate Microsoft Edge, make sure it's turned in the on position, so it's turned off. Just click inside the oval one time to turn it on, and that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.